guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Latifa. I am with Queen's Decor. So today we are going to be building a champagne wall for an upcoming event for this weekend. Whoever I ordered from had canceled on me, so I am a crafter and I like to do DIY, so I figured why not build it. Now we're going to go ahead and just cut the pieces. This is going to be our main frame. We have our side pieces. We have two side pieces, two bottom pieces, and we have another base. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a closer look. On the screen, you're gonna see, in the description box, you're gonna see all of the measurements on the screen as well. I'm gonna show you the different measurements from each. Next, what we're gonna do is measure where we want our holes to go on this panel. So I'm thinking about putting at least 4 to 6 screws on this, so it will be in the frame standing directly like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill all of the holes because I don't want the wood to crack, and pre-drilling your holes it will be very helpful for you. And then this is just how it looks at the moment. So we have all of our panels already. Let's get started. All right, queens, now that we're done putting our drill holes on one side, we're going to go ahead and take the other panel and just line it right next to it to be able to mimic what we have on the other side. This way we can have very similar measurement and we know where to pre-drill with our screws. The best thing, like I said, about pre-drilling this wood is that you don't have to worry about it cracking, especially given this panel is very, very thick. However, pre-drilling, I just found it so comforting and so easy knowing that the wood wouldn't break. Next, what you're going to see coming up here is after we're done putting our marks on this panel, we have to repeat the same steps to the top and the bottom as well, as you see here. Like I said, everything, the tedious part about this was just making sure we pre-drilled our holes. Once that was done, it was really easy to do. Now what we're doing is actually pre-drilling our holes using the smallest drill bit that I can find that was meant for wood purposes, and that's why I'm trying to explain to you guys here, but I figured the voiceover will be better, okay? And that's what we're doing. I'm just going to show you maybe 1 or 2, and then we're going to move on to what's next. All right, y'all, so now what we're going to do, what I was trying to explain here pretty much is how we're going to apply the wood glue onto the wood before mounting. What I did was apply it to the main frame, which is our wide board that is in the middle, so that way we're not getting the side panels messed up. As you know, our holes are already pre-drilled, so we're going to do that and add our glasses. Next, we're going to go ahead and just pre-put our screws to be able to mount it on. Now, you're not going to like me, but I went ahead and I forgot a whole clip of this video of how I did my measurement to put my glasses on. But you're about to see it. And it is not that hard. Just measure how wide you want your glasses. Always remember to leave a good size at the top so you can be able to put your champagne sign. I'm going to go ahead and drop the links for all the supplies that I use, as well as the person who inspired me to be able to have the confidence to be able to build this wall myself. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.